Hello guys, welcome to this quick YouTube tutorial on how to solve NameCheap issue of your IP address has changed each time you're trying to log in into your cPanel. So I'm going to try to log in, okay, into my cPanel, sign in, just wait for it to load. Okay, now it's loaded. Okay, they're asking me for my verification code that will be sent to my email. So I'll just head into my inbox to get this and just a moment and I'll come back to this video. So I've just gone to my inbox now. We'll get the verification code and we're good to go. Okay, so here we are. Paste the verification code and then we're back. So now I'm going to try to log in. Let me go through the hosting list. So I'm going to try to go into the cPanel. So this is trying to redirect me to the cPanel. So you can see it's bringing its error. Your IP address has changed. Please log in again. Having trouble logging into the cPanel. You can also log into cPanel via NameCheap. Now, there are various reasons why you might be having this issue. And number one can be that your service provider, your ISP, is providing a dynamic IP. So what that means is your IP changes from time to time. And that reason can also be because you're using two different devices with two different IPs to log um, into your account, okay, into your NameCheap account. So probably you used your phone hotspot, and later on you're trying to use maybe a MiFi or another hotspot. So the change in IP address causes this issue because you're trying to use different devices to log in at different points in time. And that issue can be that you're using a proxy or VPN that also has IP that changes at different times. So I'm going to show you a very quick, easy way for you to solve this issue, and you never need to have this issue again. So what we're going to do is we're going to use what we call a VPN browser. I'm going to be using Opera Mini VPN browser. So I'm going to show you how to download this browser, install, and use. So just head to Google to download this free VPN Opera Mini or Opera browser. Okay, so these are the search results. So let me just scroll down. Browser with free VPN. So click on that. As you can see, click on the download now. Okay, now when you scroll, you see that this is already downloading. Okay, I've already tried to download Opera free VPN on my system before. So I'm just trying to show you how to set up. So I'll have to set up again. So I try to open the downloaded file. Okay, um, let's just allow it to load. The file comes up. Okay, so as soon as the file comes up, you install. So let me just accept and upgrade. Then you click on accept. Just follow the prompt and you're good to go. I don't want to um, install this again because I already have it installed on my system. So I'm going to show you how to make use of this. Okay, so once you have the VPN Opera browser downloaded and launched, so you have the browser like this. Okay, so now as you can see right here, you have VPN on the browser. So just click this, and then you just choose the location you want. You can choose Europe. Okay, you can choose America. I decided to choose Americas. So once you set up this, and that's it. So I just have to go to Namecheap. Okay, let me click on Namecheap. So we can log in now. Okay, very easily without having any issue. You will never have that error again, I promise you. So let me sign in. Okay, password. So I'm waiting for my Namecheap dashboard to load. Bravo. So I'll just go to my hosting list. Just watch how simple this has been solved. Now click on go to cPanel. Just wait for the result. It's like magic. Tada! No issue at all. So all you need to do is, regardless of the internet you're using, regardless of the device you're using, you will never have that issue again. Just come to your free VPN Opera browser and log into your Namecheap dashboard, and you're good to go. So you can navigate to anywhere you want to go to on your cPanel. You want to go to your file manager, or you want to go to anywhere you want to go. You want to go to your subtaculars and all. So that's all. That's how to actually solve this issue. So I'll put the link to the Opera free VPN browser in the description, so you can just click and to take you straight to where you can download, and then very easy. You can always access your Namecheap account without having any issue. I hope this video solved this issue you've been having. I hope you find this very useful. If you do, please click on the like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials on how to solve a lot of issues that we encounter on a daily basis as we use various tools and text tools every day. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.